Thank you. 3 minutes. The moment when you said, I am your boss. I didn't only believe it. I got scared. Because the first thought I had, oh my God, now I'm going to get fired again. Visualization. But before I lift you up, because I'm going to do that, because you are an awesome speaker. And we believe you being the boss. I want to take in a concept that's very known in Toastmasters in California. And that's multiple evaluation. I want you to get out of your comfort zone and stand up. And we're all going to evaluate. Terry, I want you to stand up and close your eyes. And then I want you to raise your hand. Can you raise your hand? Are you out of your comfort zone yet?
No.
Okay, close your eyes. Say the first good positive word that comes into your mind thinking about Terry's talk.
Respect.
Confident.
One at a time. What did you say there?
Confident.
Confident. What more?
Structure.
Structure. What was the structure?
It was just, it was very sharp structure.
Very sharp structure. Over here, Jesper?
Rock solid.
Rock solid. Why rock solid?
Just so many elements coming in to I don't know, everything like vocal presence, voice, energy, vibe. They all kind of collided in this strong presence that just seemed rock solid.
Rock solid. To eat it. I want you to eat it now. Over here.
Funny?
Funny. Why funny?
Well, he's got an innate humor in his body and his whole way of moving around. I like that.
Acting.
No.
No, not acting.
Oh, it's Terry.
Terry. Not acting, but Terry. Very good. Here.
Respect,
Respect. Why do you say that?
because he have awesome skills at speaking.
Awesome. Why awesome? What's awesome?
The way he can change his voice, its intonation goes up and down, whereas most other people on stage, they just go like they're reading aloud from a phone book.
Very good. Eat it, Terry. If you haven't said anything, keep raising your hand. The ones that have said something, here.
I would say the speed.
What?
The speed. As in the speed of the
Speak. He's a good speak.
Yeah, very slow.
Slow.
Not too fast. Perfect.
Yes. You could follow. Here.
Sneaky,
Needy. Sneaky.
because he tried to get a coffee out of us.
Ah, yeah. Here.
I think performance, but I don't know Terry that much. So for me, the first word came to me was performance.
That's enough now, Terry. Here comes the serious part.
Thank you.
What can be improved?
Yes.
Everybody that hasn't said anything, raise your hand. What could be improved?
Nothing.
What was good then?
He was very dynamic.
That is something that could be improved, because let me read out for you, and close your eyes again now. Deliver bad news with tact and sensitivity. Did he do that?
Starting out,
Actually,
he did.
yes.
Starting out, he
He
did.
did.
Starting out, he was very sensitive. Then he went
Yes,
amok.
he did.
What happened within the speech?
You got what?
He got rough.
Yeah.
Why did you get rough? That wasn't a part of the order.
No, but I was working on the absurdity of it all, and it sounded to me like something that had to be done. It's an urge I had within me to do that.
Okay. Okay.
Because it's very rough to give bad news to people in the business environment. There's nothing nice about it.
Nothing nice about it, but you had to conclude with a pleasant note and maintain the audience goodwill. Did he do that? Did he? Listen up now. Conclude with a pleasant note and maintain the audience goodwill.
He did.
He did. Why?
Because he gave advice for how to still get your coffee outside of office hours. He gave you a solution to the problem in the end.
as a boss, within the role play, within the stage, because he did set the stage very good. Now I want you to role play. Do you still like your boss?
No,
No.
because he took away the coffee. However, he gave us a solution.
No, he
No.
What was the solution?
he scolded
Cafe
us
could
for not
do.
delivering.
Cafe
Yes.
could do.
But
What was the solution?
Cafe could do.
And spend my money.
That was the solution. Or
So
tea.
what could be improved? Listen up. Conclude with a pleasant note and maintain the audience goodwill. How could he have done that better? Improved? Come on. I know you know.
Maybe he should sugarcoat the message just a little bit, just episode. I'm not quite sure. But he could do that.
See, this is a very hard speech to do
Yeah.
because you have to deliver bad news,
Yeah.
even though it's a coffee machine. It could have been a firing, or we all have terminal cancer. I'm sorry to tell you, you're gonna die. It's a hard speech to do, even with a coffee machine. What?
If he wasn't so harsh, he would have not had as much humor. Because that was a component of what made it funny. So I disagree that softening it would have been the
But
right
that
approach.
was the order. The order was
Yeah, that's
maintain the audience goodwill.
It is true.
Yeah.
that suggestion.
How could he have? Let me give you this finish. You are excellent, all of you, in your work. I dearly love you, and I know that you're gonna take this challenge that I'm gonna give to you by no coffee. That you're gonna work better and harder and be less stressed. You're excellent employees, and I love you. Thank you. Finish up with love and trust. Except from that, it was an excellent speech. How many minutes have gone?
7.
Too many.
About 6
Except from that, wonderful speech. Terry, once again,
Thanks.
thank you.
Thank you.